Welcome! In today's tutorial, we're going to talk step by step through the whole process of how to create barcodes in Excel. Barcodes are used everywhere, and today we'll see how to create standard barcodes which will be recognized by any barcode scanner. Shall we begin? Tutorials. A barcode can be generated in Excel in a pretty straightforward way, based on a code that contains numbers as well as letters. Let's have a look at how to do it using these three examples. First, make sure that the column containing the codes is formatted as text, which is necessary for the correct display of codes beginning with 0. To make sure the data conversion from a code to the barcode runs smoothly, we'll need to add brackets to the existing code, but this needs to be done in a special way. Here's how. Click into the target cell, the cell where you want to generate the barcode. In our case, it's C3. Enter the equal sign, a quotation mark, an opening bracket, and a quotation mark again. Then add an ampersand, and right after, the coordinates of the cell that contains the code we're converting, which is B3 here. Enter another ampersand and the closing brackets in quotation marks, and hit enter. Perfect. This is our background on which the barcode will be based. Copy the function to the rest of the rows using the bottom right corner. What's left to do is change the font in the column barcode to the font ID Automation HC38M. And here we go with the barcode. Simple, quick, and easy. The function is dynamic, which means any change in the source code will show on the barcode. For example, if we change the 0 in B3 to 8, the data in column C will refresh automatically, and a new barcode will be generated based on the changed code. But before you go ahead to create some barcodes, it might be a good idea to check whether you've got the font which converts simple codes into barcodes installed in your computer. It's best to check the font list first. If you can't find it there, you most probably need to install it. If this is the case, keep watching. We're going to have a look at how to install the barcode font quickly and for free, so you could use it right now. ID Automation HC38M font can be downloaded free of charge from the website idautomation.com. We've posted the link to the website in the description below. This website contains all information about the 39 barcode font, and using the button Download Now, you can download the font into your computer. The downloaded files then need to be extracted from the zip file, so use a right-click to select Extract All. Open the unzipped folder and install the font by clicking on ID Automation _Code39 free font. After the successful installation, you'll be able to use the font immediately in Excel, Word, or other applications that work with fonts. Once you're done, open Excel and check the font list. You should be able to look up the font as ID Automation HC39M free version. Are you ready to create some barcodes? If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and watch another video tutorial by Learn how to use Excel in a quick and easy way. Is this your first time on it? We'll be more than happy to welcome you in our online community. Hit that subscribe button and join us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.